This is Main Street Bridge. We've requested an opening. There's a sailboat sunk right on the edge of the channel. Look at that. Bridge is going up. We are going through. Boy, somebody's dreams are lost there on the side of the channel. Look at that. Mast of it sticking up right up out of the water. Bridge is going up. We're going through. Right there, sunk. There's a weird bridge up ahead. Big horseshoe. Alright, I see why that bridge looks so strange now. They're not done with it. Look like a big golden arch, you know, or a big gray arch in the sky. They're all out there working on it. Bet you they get paid the big bucks, right? Current is whipping through here. Fortunately though, I think we got the wind behind us today. We might make some pretty good time. It's supposed to be windy again, but in a more favorable direction. This is Fairfax or Halifax Marina and fuel stop, I hope. Something floating in the middle of the channel there. And we hope we're in the right spot. Yep, I see the fuel dock from here. Hopefully we can get in there without going crash. Halifax Harbor Marina. Incoming, here we go. Free pump out. They'll pump out your poop. How nice. Hopefully I get all the way to, I get another 150 miles out of this. So every far that'll take, and I'll start looking again for gas. So what about 100 miles I look, you know. I appreciate it, man. Yeah. I think this is the one. Is it on?
It's frozen.
Everything, man. Then my depth finder quit working on the way right into the channel here. All of a sudden it just went whee like that and went out. I was like, what the hell? I turned it on and off a few times and it came back on. Like, man. Alright, so we're at the fuel dock here. Was it Halifax?
Halifax Marina.
Halifax Marina. Got some gas. Got 56, 59 in gas. Alright. Got the engine running, got it cast off. Here we go. Big fancy marina, big fancy boats. Actually, this place isn't too awful expensive. Okay, we got our first giant boat coming by here. See what kind of wake he's gonna toss on us. He don't look like he's moving too awful fast. We'll see how this boat reacts to it. Looks like he's slowing down quite a bit there. Say thank you, thank you. Boy, wouldn't you like to have that kind of money, huh? Let's give him a ooga. Nicole Evelyn's name on that boat. Doesn't look like there's hardly any wake at all with all that chop. He must not be throwing much of a wake. Getting a little roll from it. Well, I'd hate to see what he throws at full speed, right? Probably 5-6 foot wake. Well, that was cool. Okay, this is what's called a following or a flowing sea. As you can see, there's a trough. Boat's kind of riding in it. The tide's coming in, but the wind's blowing against it. The wind's to the aft behind me. It's creating these swells. Can't really power through them and over top of them, so I try to ride in a cradle between the biggest set that I can find. Doesn't do any good to give it any more power. It just tends to, you hit the next wave up above you and it slows you down as you climb up over it. See the big waves up ahead of me, they're breaking. But I'm not really riding up over top of them. I'm just riding in a trough. You can see my Mickey Mouse electronics. I'm really on a shoestring budget. Just to show you anybody can do this. There's my depth finder. It's off of the first boat I ever had. There's my GPS map plotter. It says we're doing 5.1 knots riding in the trough. 5.3. That's my course plotter. Shows me I'm in the middle of the channel right now. Just passing a red marker and a green, as it shows on the chart plotter. You can see the seas building up behind me, the little walls. But you don't want them to overtake you. You just want to keep riding right in that trough.